Well, party people, I'm back. It decided it wanted to start raining harder. I felt the drops get bigger. Here, I'll come back out. Look how big the drops are now. I'm standing here loading my videos up from earlier, so you'll get this later. Dude, now it is storming. Look, oh, you can't even see the brightness over there anymore. Wow, this is freaking badass, people. Check this out. Da da da. Da da da. Da da da. Dude, it is freaking raining like cats and dogs now. Yeah, baby! Yeah! Do it, Picasso! We needed the rain, though, people. We definitely need the rain. Whoa! It's getting harder. Woo! Wait, I'm getting in here, dude. I'm gonna get soaked now. Woo! Holy shit balls. Holy shit balls, people. Look at this shit, man. It's freaking raining. Rain, baby, rain. We need it. Look at it. We need it, man. We need it bad. It's been so dry.